You are watching 2+U Nevada, and we are back with our legal segment talking about the law and your rights. We've got Joe Bradley, partner here, and Phil Doran, associate of Bradley, Drendel, Jeanney. Gentlemen, thank you so much for being here. We've had you on as guests for a few weeks now, so we know you're a family-run business. We know the type of cases that you've handled that have really touched our community. But for someone at home who thinks they may have a case and they're kind of intimidated about a law firm or approaching an attorney or getting legal representatives, can you talk to us about the whole process? Like, what happens when someone calls you?
Sure. Well, the first thing that they do is they'll speak to our intake specialist or receptionist who will get some basic information, and then that'll either go directly to a lawyer, or at least we'll have some basic information that we will then call them back, talk to them, get an idea if it's a case that we can advance for them. If it is, we will have them come into our office. We'll go over everything. Our law firm is community-based, and we have relationships with medical teams, Reno Orthopedic Clinic, Spine Nevada, Sierra Neurosurgery. We can get people seen by doctors, by specialists. And so we work with these people to start to put together their life so that they can get back on their feet, get back to work, and get back going in the right direction.
And getting back on your feet, Phil, that really and truly is what this is all about, to get people to stay in their homes, not lose their home because they have a massive injury, or they may have lost their job, something like that. Can you tell us how long the average process runs from them contacting you to conclusion?
Yeah, absolutely. So in any sort of personal injury case, we work purely on contingency, meaning we only get paid if we get a recovery for the client at the end of this. But a lot of that comes down to the hundreds, if not thousands, of factors that we weigh whenever we try to decide if we're going to take a case. If we do take the case, they call in, then they come into our office where we are purely local. All of our staff are here, and this is our only office. So we get them signed up. We get them into the best possible doctors, providers, people that can help the most following an accident. Typically, if you were to talk about a car accident case, it takes anywhere between 6 and 12 months, but that varies depending on the facts. So the best thing you can do is call in to our firm, 775-335-9999. or bdjlaw.com, and we'll go from there.
And Joe, as you said, when somebody calls that number, they're immediately taken care of by someone with some sort of legal expertise.
No question about it. We're client-based, so we respond to our clients. We work with them, we talk to them, and we have resources immediately available for them so that, again, they can start to put back the pieces of their life, because we know how critically important that is to people, because they may be, as you say, lost their job. Their home may be at risk. So we work with them to make sure that everything stays together and that they're taken care of through the pendency of their case.
And have you found, because you are solely local, Northern Nevada, have you found that those relationships that you just alluded to really helps you get these cases resolved faster?
It helps us get the cases resolved better. We don't speed through our cases. We take the time with our clients to make sure that they get the medical treatment that they need, that they get the recovery that they need. If we have to financially work with them to assist them through this process, we will do that. We have resources for that. So we take our time to make sure that we have a full package and we know the full extent of their losses before we undertake to resolve their claim.
And I want to say it again, this is now a 3-generation law firm. Your dad, you, now the next generation, entrenched in this community, and really a very winning law firm.
Very much so. Almost 70 years in continuous practice. We believe we're the oldest continuous personal injury firm in Nevada, and perhaps maybe even one of the oldest continuous practices in the state of Nevada. And as a result, we have relationships that go back years and years and years with financial institutions, with medical care providers. Everything that we need is at our fingertips to ensure that our clients get the best possible results. And we're here in this community. We're not going anywhere. Our clients know how to get a hold of us, and if they have questions, they call us, they come in, we work through it with them.
I love it. Joe, thank you so much. Phil, thank you. I know you alluded to it, but Joe, how do people get a hold of you?
775-335-9999 or bdjlaw.com.
All right. You're watching 2+U Nevada.